Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to create a new Facebook ID step by step. Do not forget like, share and subscribe. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you can see the create new account option. So click on it. Then click the get started option. Here you enter your name, first name, last name. Then click the next option. And then here you select the date of birth. Here you can see I select the date of birth. Then click the set option. Then click the next option. And then here you can see the male female option. You select the male or female. I select the male option. Then click the next option. Here you enter the phone number या email ID. So I enter the phone number. Then click the next option. Then here continue creating account option select. Here you enter the strong password. Then click the next option. After click it, here you can see the save option. So click the save option. Here you click the I agree option. Then click the no create new account option. Here you enter the confirmation code. And here you skip option. Then here you add the 5 friends. After click it, here you select the skip option. So this is the method. You can see here new ID create. Please like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips.